you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.
Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home.
I heard they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I toy. No comparison.
For today's wig review, I am reviewing Myshinywigs Kinky Straight Headband Wig. I just want to say thank you so much to Myshinywigs for partnering with me on this video. I also made sure to get you guys a coupon code in case you want to pick this wig up or any other wigs up on their website. Just use my code Andrea to save $25 off of your purchase. So if you want another tea on how I really feel about this hair, keep on watching. Okay, so today's wig is from Myshinywigs. This is the box right here. I'm just going to show you what's in the box. So this is the wig right here. I'm going to touch back on that later. Then I have 4 headbands in here. These 4 headbands right here, individually wrapped. And then the last thing that is in this box is this goodie bag right here. Let's see what's in the goodie bag. 2 wig caps, different tones right here, darker tone, lighter tone. Love that. Eye makeup brush, a rat tail comb. I'm gonna be collecting a lot of these. A edge control brush. You can never have too many edge control brushes. And a tweezer you can use to pluck your wigs, but you don't need to pluck this wig because it is a headband wig. Okay, so this is the wig right here. It's actually in netting, so I'm going to undo the netting so you guys can see. Ooh, she's pretty. Ooh, she thick too. Okay, so as you can see, this is a kinky straight texture. I love this. This is my first kinky straight wig, so I'm really excited. I believe her name is Taylor, and she is 22 inches. She's long. She is soft, and she is in a natural brown color. As I'm running my fingers through the hair, I'm trying to see if I get any tangling or shedding, and I'm not. I'm getting nothing. Ooh. Okay, I got like 1 strand, but you see how many times I've like ran my hand through this? Ugh. So, you know, she's just a basic headband wig with the elastic right here. The tag, it tells me that she's 22 inches. So this is the elastic right here. And then it just comes, she's just like a regular headband wig with the clips. So she has 4 combs on the inside. Oop. Couldn't find the other one. Right here, then one right here. And this is the headbands. I don't have a scissor right here, so I'm just gonna pop the tag off. Head wrap off. I was tying down my edges. Let's see what they look like, because you know they be embarrassing me sometimes. Oh, actually, not shabby. Not too shabby. Getting better at it. Getting better. So let's put this wig on.
So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dead. Most of the things I don't wanna say, I won't be around.
Okay, she is on. Wow. Okay, I like this one a lot, actually. I like this one. Oh, I was been looking in my mirror. I didn't even look in the camera. I like this one a lot. Rich. I feel so rich in this wig. She is. Ooh, and she got flow to her. Ooh, stiff wig. Who got a stiff wig? Who got a stiff wig? Not Myshinywigs. Oh my gosh. Blue or black? Blue or black? I'm gonna do blue. Ooh, she is so pretty. Wow. This is like literally one of the thickest wigs I have. Mostly because it's kinky straight, so there is texture to this hair. But I love it. I feel like this is what my natural hair would look like if I blew it out. My natural hair is not as long and thick as this, and I'm a little upset about that now that I'm thinking about it. My natural hair is probably like 18 inches. This is 22. but this is what my natural hair would look like if I blew it out. So this is very natural actually. So this is Style Taylor. She is a kinky straight. She's 22 inches. So she comes to my waist. So let me just stand up a little bit so you guys can see. I'm waist training, don't mind my mixed matched outfit. But she is by my waist right now. I am 5'8". So just for reference, just so you know, if you get this wig, how long it would hit on you if you are around my height. Feel like a Nubian Barbie. I feel like a black Barbie to the fullest right now. I kind of don't want to put heat in this hair. Like, I kind of don't want to change anything about it. But I'm going to add a couple curls in this video just to keep the videos interesting and not boring. I'm going to use my curling wand from A Body. I got this curling wand set from Amazon. So if you guys want this specific curling wand set, it is in my Amazon storefront, which I have linked down below in the description box. So make sure you check that out.
Already got you what you needed, I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real.
So I'm back. This is what the curls and the waves turned out to be. They're super pretty, super bouncy, super fluffy and full. I'm really loving this hair actually right now. So this is the second style you could do with this hair. Obviously, if you want to, you could just leave it straight. But if you did want to add heat to it, it takes heat very well, as you can see. I'm really happy about this. She's so pretty. Okay, so I'm just gonna play around with this hair a little bit more and show you a couple styles you could definitely do with this hair.
Learned yourself through me already. Got you what you needed, I guess, yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me up when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side.
Okay, so now that I've played around with the hair for a little bit, there is some things I want to share with you guys. So obviously my curls did dye a little bit from the first time when I just finished, you know, curl wanding. When I just finished curling my hair, the curls have like dyed a little bit, where they're more like waves. I actually still really like it. Since I didn't use any hairspray or anything like that to actually set the curls, I think the hair is holding up this curl, well, this wave rather well, especially for the quick 1-2 curls that I did because I didn't really spend too much time doing these curls. And I also didn't put a heat protectant on the hair. Whoops, because I forgot. But the hair took the heat very well, and everything is gorgeous. Like, this is human hair. It is human hair, so it can take heat. You can straighten it, you can curl it, as I just showed you guys right now. The only thing, when I was playing with the hair, putting it up and down into like ponytails and stuff, there was a bit of tangling and shedding in the scrunchie, but that happens with like every hair, your natural hair, your wig. It's mostly based on the kind of scrunchie that you use, and I can tell you right now I didn't use the appropriate scrunchie. I used like these little cheap ones that I have because I couldn't find like a really good healthy scrunchie. I couldn't find one in my drawers, so I was just like, I'll just use these. I'm pretty sure if you get like one of those really big 80s cheerleader scrunchies, there won't be any like tangling or shedding in the hair. But that's really my only con about this hair, that it did snag a little bit when I was putting it up into its ponytail and whatnot. But is that really a con? So I highly recommend this hair from Myshinywigs. Again, this is Headband Wig Style Tailor, which is 100% human hair and 22 inches, and God knows how much density because it got the body. It got the body, yada yada. Okay guys, and that is it for today's video. If you guys do like this hair and want to buy it, make sure you use my coupon code Andrea so you can save $25 off of your purchase. I'm going to put it down in the description box and up on the screen as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up. Also tell me down in the comments if you have tried kinky straight hair. If you guys didn't get to at the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you're notified every single time I post. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy.